Hey everyone, it's Dustin with TWPD. We are fixing, what is this, a Samsung A20? Samsung A20. I actually had her order the parts online because we didn't stock them, and maybe we will stock them in the future. So look for that link in the below in the description if you are looking for the parts. For now, I'll try to find something on Amazon or eBay if we can't get parts yet. So anyways, on to the repair. We're going to replace the glass and LCD on this unit today. Okay, so you're going to want to start off with getting your unit hot, either on a hot plate, or you could also do a heat gun. So mine's already been warming up for about 5 minutes, so it's good to go, ready to separate. I'd recommend starting off with an iFlex tool here. I've never opened up this phone, so I'm assuming it's something similar to the A50, but not 100% sure. You're going to get some gloves or like a towel to hold on to the unit so you don't burn yourself. And we're going to find out if we're going to have to separate from the front or the back. And best way to always do that if you're trying to fix a new phone is to look at the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're already too late.
Sorry.
And bad news is that she ordered the wrong part. Darn it. That's eBay for you. So, bad news, guys. I got my dog here. That A20 was not an A20e, which that's the parts that we actually ordered. It was an A20U. So, or like, I don't know, a certain model number. I'll put it in the description. But apparently there's like several different models of the A20. And so you guys got to watch out for that, or you may order the wrong parts on eBay. Unfortunately, her part is literally double the price, from $50 to $100, because it's a A20 and not an A20e. It's a bigger screen size. So I'm going to put this video up cautioning other people about what parts to order, and make sure you find what you need, so that way you don't order the wrong stuff. I know the U version of this A20 is Metro PCS, but I know there's a T-Mobile version and other versions out there, so make sure you get model number from this A20 before ordering the parts. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it was a fail. Hopefully we'll get some more content up here on these A20s as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Bye.